discovered the actual meat. So, percent pure meat. Good at what he did. Look at all the Francusian chefs. That's it. That's a big agency. Seems like Dixon worked there until he hung out his own shit. Fired. Place to start. Not like anyone else.
Hey, I was just about to come look for you.
Well, here I am.
You're grumpy.
No. Even grumpy. Angela. Angela said,
Hodgins, she did you to reject your call.
it was a pre-complete ring-off from my wife, dude. Are you really gonna tell me that's nothing?
Okay. So, what did you do?
I make her breakfast. I tie her shoes.
There's gotta be something.
Of course not. She's pregnant. The hormones are running the institution. What do you got?
Well, this particular fracture wound was open, so I was hoping that you'd find some trace.
Let me take a look.
Yeah.
So, where are you going?
I'm off to talk to Cam about my hours.
Yeah? You want more of them or less of them?
As many as I can get.
Well, that calm.
Thinking outright flattery.
Yeah.
Hi, Dr. Stroy. Are you examining the victim's stomach contents?
Small intestine. What's left of it?
Great. So, Brennan told me that you needed someone to do some extra hours around the world. I'm available.
I think I'm going to divide the hours equally among all the interns.
Oh,
I'll post the schedule by the way.
but Dr. Stroy, I'm the only one who needs those hours.
Mhm.
Speaking.
However, all of you are equally qualified, and that's all I'm supposed to do. Consideration. You understand?
Of course, but the decision is ultimately yours, isn't it?
Are you questioning my ability to make a fair decision, Mr. Frank?
No. No, not at all.
Okay.
I found something unusual about the victim's Polling indicates that he suffered 2 broken noses, a fractured left orbital socket, and a hairline fracture near the right mental foramen. All separate incidents in the past year.
Then someone didn't like him.
All symptoms were the same multiple times.
Either way, it looks like the hits just kept on coming.
Dixon had his face broken 4 times.
4 separate times, and after the last one, he filed assault charges against Nicole Francusi.
As in Francusian chest.
Yeah, his old boss. I really want you to watch this.
That is our victim. It's some award show.
My eyes are so watery now.
Yeah, yeah. We'll watch.
Thanks, guys.
Oh! Right? The hit broke Dixon's nose, so he quit, filed charges. She countered with yeah, accused Dixon of intentionally damaging the business. The civil judge ruled in Dixon's favor last Tuesday.
I hope my neighbors don't complain about my coughing.
I think I should go have a word
I told them I can't help it. They complain about everything. They complain about me having sex. They complain.
You don't think I had
Oh, I have red lipstick on my hand.
Nah, it's
I thought it was blood there for a second. I was like, I was bleeding.
He broke his nose.
You could You the first I built with my partner from the ground up.
So you did what you had to do.
You sure?
I don't even know how to describe these problems I have with my neighbors. It's ridiculous.
You don't know where you were last Wednesday or what you were doing.
It was probably a parent function or something. I wasn't the only person who had something against Ron Dixon.
You're the only one who hit him in the face.
Our creative director did it too, just not in front of the camera.
How did he be so angry at him?
One day, out of nowhere, all of a sudden, he turned into a real ass.